Can you get out of my thing? What? So I can... Fuck, shit, fuck, penis!
Ah!
Yeah, get out of my house!
You're upsetting
Why is
my
your rat screaming so much? Silence it!
Every time you
Silence
say
it!
something, let me silence rat.
Don't actually silence him, badboyhalo.
I'll take you for a walk later. Do you want to see a trick?
I can only hear so much, badboyhalo.
We're gonna do a sing-along, okay? Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. Here, let me try again. Wow, 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 wow. Good. Okay, let's go again. Ready? Wow, 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 wow.
Hey, wait, Bad, can you put the headphones on the dog? Can I get it to sing something?
No.
Okay,
You're just gonna curse at my dog.
No, I'm gonna go.
I don't want her to do a naughty thing.
Like that, and I want to see how it interprets it into.
You can't do that. That's so mean.
It's my melody.
You're making her upset.
Why is my melody mean?
Apologize.
You want me to
rap right now?
I would not be apologizing to your dog.
Apologize.
Okay, so Bad. I will apologize, but the point of a swear is to really exclaim what you're saying, to really push what you're saying, so it has more meaning. That's why you use them infrequently. All right, okay, I'm going to apologize to your dog. Badboyhalo's doggo.
Okay.
I'm so fucking sorry for being such a shitty person.
No!